Opa.
Brother,
Hey, what up, nerds? Hello, hello. How's it going?
Hello, happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday, Temptic, Mr. Zombie, Danimal. How's it going?
Good to see you guys.
Something nerd side. Welcome in, Mr. Zombie. How's it going? How's the Providence?
Hope you're all comfortable, cozy, comfy. Look at the Makooks up there. She's so comfy. She's taking a little nap. You can see her toe beans.
She's conked out. She's done for.
Yeah, she's taking.
She's had enough.
Goob, what's up? Hello.
How's it going, Goob?
Welcome.
All right, let's continue making the video game. I think that's the plan for today.
Yeah.
Selene, you were exporting some stuff.
Yeah. If you give me like 5 minutes,
Okay.
you could yap for 5 minutes.
I can 5 yap. 5 yap? I can 5 yap.
You can 5 yap.
I can yap for 5 minutes, and maybe I'll use that time to do just a little bit more math. I lied. There was a teeny bit of math.
We said there was no
I
math
know.
today.
I know.
This is no longer a safe space.
I just need to do a little fix to the math.
Going well. I'm here to chill and play some Pal World with Stellar Frog.
Nice. I still want to play that one. I think we're waiting for this heat to pass so we can actually enjoy our living room.
Oh.
And then we're probably going to play some Pal World 1.0.
Making a video game is a good plan. That is why we are here. Yes, correct.
Fine, yeah.
The game was pretty fun. Loved the art and the theme was all space. That honestly sounds like I like it.
Nice. First time playing for me. Oh, nice. You're in for a treat. It's both a fun and funny video game. We played when it came out in early access, and we had a pretty good time. We didn't go too far, but we had enough fun that I definitely want to try 1.0. Haven't even watched anyone play it. Oh, nice. That's the way to go, always. Okay, so I have one quick math to do.
Otto Cunnin, welcome. Those awesome nerds are at it again. Very nice. Good to see you. Hope you're having a good start to your weekend.
Hey, Adikanen. Wait, maybe I don't have to worry about this math. Let's do some theoretical math.
Oh, God.
If I have... Say I have 100 damage, and I multiply that by 10%, I'm gonna get 110. If I then split that 100 10 times, so it would be 100 divided by 10, which is 10. And then multiply those by 10%. The total of this, because each 10 would become 11, the total of this will still be 110. So I don't think I have to do anything. This actually just works out with the new numbers based off of 10. It's just fine, I think. So actually, yeah, current implementation works, I guess. Cool. Works for me. Quick maths.
Gross.
To Bob, hello. How's it going?
Hey, welcome.
Happy Saturday. Slow maths for me. Yeah, yesterday I was having a little bit of an issue with maths, but it's done. We move on. Today, I am going to continue my work to change the safe zones. Where I have already made a safe zone opening event scene, which basically the idea is you're going to have this challenge, this timed challenge to open a safe zone instead of just interacting with it and boom, it's open. You're gonna need to be in the area for X amount of time to unlock the safe zone. So if I stand in here, this fills in. I mean, I don't think this is gonna be the actual visuals when we're done with it, but it's what I had. You stand in it. Over time, it spawns zombies to come, like, interrupt you. And then if you succeed, then it opens the safe zone. That's the plan. So it's a little bit of a challenge. But if you succeed, the safe zone will be open forever. For the rest of that save. It's no longer a per run situation. That's what I'm gonna try to do. We felt like it wasn't necessarily fun to open safe zones every run. Hey, Maxwell.
Maxwell, thank you for your fart. Welcome on in. Hope you're having a good day.
It wasn't intuitive or fun for players to open safe zones every run. So we want to try permanent progression on the map as well. But if it's permanent, then it needs to be, you know, a bit more of a quest rather than something you just do super quickly. So it's just going to be a couple steps and requirements involved. But when you do it, you're done.
Boop, boop. Boop. Okay, now we drop him on drive. Environment. Lab. Drive Linky. Look for it.
That's all right. I have the replication on my.
Well, I sent
stuff.
it to you anyway, and you have to. All right.
Oh.
That's all in the drive. I'm gonna. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna draw a pillow, I guess, on the sofa. Oh.
Key 12335. Hack successful, huh?
Huh?
You're hacking into our Google Drive?
Not our Google Drive. Not the Googles. I own all your mama pics. Joke's on you. My camera roll is 90% maca. 10% screenshots. meant to say mom instead of mom. I thought it was like a your mom insult. Kind of. Hi, Maka. You taking a nap? You gotta take a little before screenshot.
Okay.
I like it.
I'll do it in game.
Your mom was so fat she takes the full drive. Amazing. Good one, good one.
Been a while since we took screenshots, to be honest.
Yeah, that's why we gotta. It helps.
Okay. So I'll go full screen. Oh, I don't have the before. That's fine. I'll just do the medbay unbuilt and built.
You know what helps? Being excited and sharing your game with the nerds. Wait, I have a whole folder of Battle Machina screenshots of progress. Remove the textures. I'm honestly tempted. I can't wait until you get that Battle Machina all wrapped up. I bet it's gonna look so cool. Like already with the updates you made, it's looking awesome. Oh, I have a guest. Hello. No, baby, you can't sit on the iPad. No, you can't sit on the iPads. Are not for sitting. No, they're not for sitting.
Ever since I changed my monitor to an HDR monitor, my screenshots look terrible.
Really?
And I've tried fixing it because there's like a option.
One sec.
But it doesn't really work. Have this too? Yeah, it sucks. The snipping tool has an option to adjust HDR or like color correct HDR screenshots, but it just doesn't work very good. It's really annoying. I guess I could like switch it to my other screen and take the screenshot there, but Linux is better, but still.
I can't believe the treats weren't enough.
I do like the HDR. Playing games with HDR, I do notice the difference. It's nice. My game looked super dark on other players' PCs because I had HDR and it looked bright. Yeah, that's definitely a problem.
I guess
I didn't even consider that.
Well, it's a good thing we could. My monitors are entirely different to yours.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we can
at least we could
it,
test it on my stuff. My monitors are basic.
Like I could just do full screen on my other monitor, screenshot it there, and then that looks the same, to be honest. That looks exactly the same to me. So I don't know. Maybe it's trying to do HDR correction when I don't have HDR as well. It's breaking it.
Okay, but yeah, that's the before. No shade to the programmer art.
Thank you.
No shade at all. I've already had a moan at the ultra wide monitor snobs. I'm not making any special settings for them.
Yeah, that's gonna be a pain. It really is. I do think we need ultra wide support, but I've never used an ultra wide, so I don't know what games usually do. But I'm tempted to just center the UI on ultra wide. So instead of scaling the ultra wide, like the UI to the ultra wide resolution, the UI is still centered only on the center of the screen.
Would you just add like black bars on the sides?
No, there's still game.
Oh.
Like the camera, you can still see environment, but the UI doesn't like expand with it.
Right.
So the UI is still 16 by 9. I don't know if that's normal for games to do that, but that would be the easiest implementation, I feel like.
Gamertag, hello, welcome.
Hello.
Happy Saturday. You've got an ultra wide at work, Temtic? I think I've only ever seen an ultra wide monitor in person at a store, and I was like, whoa.
It looks very tempting for productivity, but even for certain games, I would like to experience them on ultra wide. I bet it's pretty cool.
That's a crazy amount of ultra wides. At work, we have just very basic monitors. You would think for design that you'd want to have like really good monitors, but I guess everyone just uses their MacBooks, so.
To be fair, MacBooks do have pretty good monitors.
Yeah. Pre-COVID, the place I used to work at, like, people didn't have like laptops, like because you were in the office like Monday to Friday, right? You didn't take home your work. There were actual like Apple computers, like the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Those monitors were really nice. I do sometimes miss those.
I've never used one of those.
No.
You mean like the dedicated separate ones?
Yeah.
Or just
like
a desktop Mac?
I may
like
not,
the all-in-one computer, or just those monitors that they sell?
I may not know the difference, but
You plug your laptop into them?
no.
Just on their own. Yeah, those are nice. I did have one of those once upon a time, and it was very nice.
Yeah. Now, post-COVID, I've not worked at any place that has like fixed PCs or Macs at work. Like everybody now just gets issued a laptop.
Mm-hmm.
Like, yeah, I think like the era of like the fixed workstation is over. Everyone now just gets laptops. Yeah. Which I feel like I don't mind that.
Yeah. Making some materials here. Okay, now I have to do the replacement. And then we can pull it in. Okay.
The sofa definitely does kind of give me cool seat vibes, but when it's put together, that doesn't feel very very busty. Like especially once we
Bust.
put the cushions, you know. It looks good. It's my first time making a 3D sofa, okay? You gotta cut me some slack.
Is there a side to the desk?
No.
Both work.
Yeah. I purposefully didn't care about adding drawers or anything. Also, I know it's like wood on wood floor and everything, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have a big rug.
Big rug, yeah.
That's
so you
gonna
only
have-
see wood like on the corners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that right now. Get some good snacks, Mr. Zombie. You gotta have snacks for the weekend, you know. You know, I've been having the apple slices with the peanut butter. That's actually like a 9 out of 10 snack.
It's pretty good, yeah. I like it too.
Like, it's like every now and then I rediscover fruit that I like. But also, like, I think these where did I get those? Marks and Spencer's? The M&S apples. Juicy apples. They're not like dry, so they're nice. I made them 2x2, so they should match up with width of the walls. Oh, do they match up, or am I crazy? Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, they do. Perfectly.
Ooh, that's cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine this is where like we're gonna have the player trophies. Is not, I don't know if trophies is the word.
Yeah,
I'm
like
looking for.
achievement
Achievements,
trophies.
yeah. Walk the way from the. No, Maka. I already see your intentions. Is the sofa too small? Because I was looking at like our desk and like the height of the sofa, and it feels like sofa kind of goes to the height of the desk, so that's what I did. But I don't know if in this world it needed to be bigger. I think it could be, right? A little bit bigger, the sofa?
Yeah, a little bit bigger for sure.
Yeah.
Let's do like 10% bigger. Yeah, it looks better. And then this doesn't necessarily need to be centered. We could.
It's sunk in the ground. BT dubs. Oh. Or it's not aligned properly.
Is it?
It's okay, so the top part of the sofa is sticking out where it shouldn't. It should meet.
Up part.
You know, it's like the seat and the top. The top needs to be further back.
Like this.
Like it needs to be flush to the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Cool, cool, cool.
I reckon rectangular
Yeah.
rug.
Yeah.
So I will just. I don't need it to be a box. I can have it be a plane.
But long, hello, welcome.
Hello.
We're just adding those assets I made yesterday to the office.
Happy Saturday. Let's do plane. Let's face the plane up.
So you guys in Captain's stream?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Love a chill Captain and Osa stream.
Blackwater Gator. Hello.
Okay, we'll make this.
That is the world's tiniest carpet.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It'd be something like this, right? Like that?
Yeah, something like that.
And then for a material, I don't know if I have anything I could like use temporarily. Wow.
Ooh, that's a choice. It won't be that.
Here we're gonna make a super cool material. It's gonna be a standard material, but for a texture, we're gonna use a noise texture. Okay, which is gonna use fast noise light, and then we're gonna albedo shift it to be whatever color we want. What would it be, like a red?
Kind of like a maroon.
A maroon.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that.
Like that? Oh yeah. Maybe like more terracotta color. Yeah. I don't know. Is that good contrast, or should it also be green? Do we still make it green?
Green would look fine. I like the red and the green.
Like a more purplish red. Slightly more purple.
How do we alter the values of the noise so it doesn't go to full black?
My back.
I don't know.
Oh,
My back.
thank you for the foster check.
Oh, B, how's it going?
Always
Oh, I need to
Cheers.
get some water.
Happy Saturday. What is this? I don't know. Cool. What is this? Oh my god. Wait, this is working.
Yeah, with like a gold trim.
A gold trim?
Oh, that's just because you have it selected. But I will add a gold trim. I like that.
I was trying to make the black not black, like just to be darker, but not full black. But I don't know how to do that.
I think it's a placeholder, right?
It is.
I think that's fine.
This is true.
You got the flu in the summer? That's rough.
Oh no. What's wrong with black? Nothing's wrong with black. Flu in the summer is crazy. Have you been sitting in front of the AC or fans all day? Is that possible? That would be the culprit.
The kids.
Oh, the kids, of course.
I've been sick quite a lot. Like at the beginning of the year, I feel like I was getting sick like once. This year, this winter, I'm gonna try to eat all the veggies. And what is it that people have? A lot of ginger. Help combat stuff. You know?
Thanks.
Stuff. Beautiful.
Damn.
We got something. Chair. Is the chair going to do something?
No, it was just didn't know what the gray box was. Boom. That's what we got right now.
Improvement.
Very nice. Wait, where's my rug? Hello?
Did I tell you I had super bad performance for some people in my game? You just had too many lights in my scene.
Do you have like a crazy amount of lights, or did you feel it was fine?
Do we have a crazy amount of lights?
I mean, we have lights. We have a lot of lights, but I wouldn't say that it's too many. I don't know.
12 lights.
12.
And that was too much?
Really?
We have 12 lights. I'm sure.
We definitely have 12 lights. I have a toon shader. Interesting.
Isn't this feeling so much cozier?
Yeah. That looks pretty good. Oh, I could also slap an outline shader on this, maybe? No, it doesn't work on planes. Yeah, that's not real.
That's not real.
I could duplicate the rug. Make unique.
It had to calculate the stuff for every single light source. So now you have just one big light instead.
Right.
No, I mean that's very interesting. I do wonder if we'd have any trouble with the amount of lights that we have. I have no idea.
Yeah, it's very possible. Our levels have a lot of crap in them. Our gameplay scene, like the map, there is only one. Actually, there is 0 light. As in, there is one directional light, but then that's baked. So it's actually 0 real-time lighting. But the lab has lights everywhere. Like, each room has 3 to 4 lights. So it's going to be a lot. Obviously, it's not all... They're not all going to be on screen at the same time. So that might help. Because you only really see one room at a time. So maybe it's okay. Depending on how Godot handles things. If Godot doesn't do it automatically by culling what's not in view, I could quite easily disable rooms as well. Like make them invisible and disable them when they're off camera.
Gorgam, hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Time to add 2-minute loading screen between each room. Oh no.
Yeah. What is this? Starfield?
Look at this.
Looks awesome.
Yeah. So I'm missing the pillows, missing the chair. I was going to make like a PC situation maybe for the desk, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think we do want a PC, and we'll put it like off to the side. You won't see the actual screen, right? You'll just see the back of the monitor.
Yeah.
And then keyboard. I don't think we need a mouse, just a keyboard is fine.
Do we want a tower?
Nah. Just keyboard and a monitor.
Yeah.
And then we'll have some stuff next to it.
I was also thinking of adding, well, I made like a pegboard, not a pegboard, but like a board that I was gonna just draw like a notes.
Like a cork.
Like a cork board.
Yeah.
Yeah, conspiracy cork board.
I like that.
To go like on top of the sofa somewhere.
That's great, yeah.
Wall. And then a little plant. A little plant pot. Because then you could use it in other places.
Yeah.
Plant pot.
There we go. Before. After.
In between. It's not
In between, yeah. Well, it's after the before.
Yeah.
Then there'll be an after the after.
Yeah.
What are we going to do for the...
You're going to need some collisions on that.
Like, we'll still make it messed up and dirty and overgrown. And I guess when you build a generator, it comes back. Like, you don't have to build the office.
I don't think you have to build the office.
Yeah.
No.
I think it's just messed up, but when you fix the generator, it auto-fixes the office.
Yeah, like maybe it's just a little like dirty, but yeah, you don't have to build it or anything.
Why did you call your fridge chair? It looks great.
Yeah, and then we're saying we're going to leave the comics display as a block because we're not sure what we're going to do.
Yeah.
If we're going to do it.
I think this only makes sense as like an interactable where you can go and read comics if we end up doing the collectible comics.
Yeah.
If we scrap that, I think we remove this.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Yeah.
So that may go away.
Yeah. All right.
Where will you interact with your achievements and stuff? Would it be like just when you go up to the bookshelf?
Yeah, I think going up to the bookshelf would do it. I think it would also be in the terminal. Like the when you interact with a terminal, is going to open up a menu, which is going to have multiple things. It's going to be the lab management. It's going to have achievements, like different tabs. It's not going to open like a monitor interface. We could theme it that way if we want, but I think it just opens a UI menu.
Yep.
And the PC in the office is just the terminal.
Yeah. No. We're just gonna have multiple menus, and those will have more
Yeah,
menus.
there's gonna be a lot of menus for sure.
Menuception.
Lots of menus to work on.
No, we don't like UI. We need to minimize menus. Welcome, welcome, Steph.
Hello.
How was game night? Did you have a good time? Thank you for the fart, of course.
All right.
Was good. You played some Palio.
Nice. How was that? We never tried Poly, did we?
No, we didn't. Oh, sorry.
We I assume you played with someone, Steph. I believe that's what you said. How did you find playing with someone? Because when I looked at Polya reviews, it said that while you could play together, you couldn't really build a homestead together. You had your own homes. Each person has their own home, and you can't really truly co-own a place. And that kind of threw me off. Me and Celine love playing like sandboxy games like Minecraft, or recently we were playing Godot Town, because we're collaborating on the same space. That's what makes it fun. Games like, was it Dreamlight Valley had that as well, where you could visit other people, but each person has their own home. You can't co-own, right? We can make cook-off together. You can have a cook-off. Wait, what? The game looks really pretty. Polya does. You cook together, yeah. So you can collaborate on activities, but then you both go to your own homes and manage it independently. Okay. Cook, hunt, fish, missions, yeah. Oh. Well, hope you had a fun time.
Oh my god. Look, do we want to have Victorian patterned cushions?
Yeah, that could fit. Easy pattern.
Thank you, Procreate, for this random brush. Like, actually, I think I'm gonna go with this.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks pretty good.
Job done, guys.
What's way more fun is the game has 11 plays now. Nice. Nice. Did you have did you share that in our Discord? You should totally put it in Share Your Projects. If you want to try and get some more people to give it a go. Up to you, of course. No pressure. Okay, so I have this event. Where do I begin?
When I played it in early access, bases were all separate. You were able to just visit, but I don't know after release. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in Polyo a little bit.
Just wanted to wait a little and get the green light from you. Yesterday was a mess. Green light from me. I would love for you to post your project in our Discord.
I would also love to give it a go.
Yeah, definitely want to check it out. Throw it in there. Where do I start? I think first I want a way to activate it. Which would be an interactable on its own. So on the safe zone opening event, we probably want an interactable of its own. So let's do that.
Victorian pillows will be pre-order only, right? I love when there was just this random brush. I was like, heck yeah. Again, work smarter, not harder, guys.
Okay. Safe zone opening event needs required thingamajiggies.
Thingamajiggies?
We're gonna have var required one-off events. Will be an array of one-off event IDs. And then if we go in here,
Working both smarter and harder. That is also an option.
safe zone events.
Smart and hard. Both.
Go safe zone shed. Let's do this manner. Safe zone shed.
And you know what? I think I'm gonna use this pattern for the carpet as well.
One.
No one's gonna stop me.
Equals 300. Then we can do safe zone shed complete. So in here, we would say opening event, it requires, whoops. It requires, oh damn. Don't worry about it. I promise that does something. Safe zone shed 1 complete.
David, good morning.
Hey, David.
How are you?
Then we have another export that says var completed one off event of type save data manager one off event IDs.
Amazing. I love this.
Nice, looks perfect.
Pillows. Done.
Okay. So on complete, we're gonna say save data manager, one-off event add, completed one-off event. Okay. Then on here, we are not going to activate. Not going to activate. We're gonna say interactable.
You get commit, added more bugs to fix later, and Victorian pillows. Introduce more bugs.
I mean, that's just every commit. There's no need to add that to the description. 'Tis a given.
Los buguitos.
On interacted, activate the event. And disable the thing. And here we're going to say this is not active to start with. Uh-huh. Because in order for it to be active, we need these events. So let's do a function can be or interactable update. Interactable. I never know how to spell this stupid word.
Interactible.
Yes.
Just say it in Spanish and then it works.
But that's incorrect. Is that correct? Is it interactable or table?
Interactable.
Yeah. There's a table in there. Every time. Okay, so this needs to go... Actually, let's go back in here.
This is why my ID has a spell check.
That is very smart. I like that. That is useful.
Can you have a spell check?
I don't know. Probably not in the Godot ID. Okay, I want this function, but with an array. So like one off event has multiple, I don't know what to call this here, events. It accepts an array of one-off event IDs, returns a Boolean. Can I do...
VS Code has one.
I'm dyslexic. That is very useful. Then, very nice. We need a resharper for Godot. I'm not familiar with resharper. Is there a method
To the madness.
to check if an array has an array? You know what I mean?
That does sound like madness to me.
I have this array helper. What have I done in here? For each get random weighted join.
Get random.
That doesn't help me. But maybe I add it. So I'm gonna do static
Just use AI agents to spell check, they will only consume 8 billion tokens.
Each commit is going to be a couple trees in the Amazon forest. Worth it. If an array has another array inside. It's a bad description. What I mean is, I have an array that has a bunch of IDs. And given an array of IDs, I want to check if this one has all of the events I'm asking for. So like, has this array have this, all of these values that I'm passing in as an array? That makes sense?
Perhaps.
So like has, it's basically the has method, but like has multiple. Contains all. Yes. That is a way better way of putting it. By default, arrays have the has method. I just need like a has multiple, which I don't think is there by default. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. So I will implement it. Check for each, if it has one. You're certain that it has all the events in our tube. Yeah. I'm gonna do var has all bool true. Then for value in values, if array does not have value, has all equals false, break. If, or just return as all. And that returns bool. And then in here has multiple. I just do one-off events. No, I do. My God.
Whoa.
Has multiple one-off events. What was that? That was the H-E-H-E sound. Scooby's ghost.
Nice.
There's multiple. A size check is only valid if it's smaller than the values you're checking for, and also only assuming the ones you're checking has no duplicates. I think this does the job. I don't worry. I'm not gonna worry about duplicates or anything like that. If the array contains all of these values, we're good. I think that works out. Can I give performance tip? Sure. What are you building today? I am changing how safe zones work. So we're adding extra steps to unlocking a safe zone, but we're making safe zone unlocking permanent. So you only do it once and then it's open forever for the rest of your playthrough. Why continue? Why continue? As soon as we don't have a value, I stop the iteration. Mr. Bear, yeah. As soon as it doesn't have one, it stops.
Oh. Kukini, it's only 4.
Return false is the same thing. True. Very true. Right, I could do like return false, return true. That would also work. No need for a variable or anything. Yeah. Same. Do. Okay, so interactable update, we're gonna say if save data manager has the required one-off events, then interactable enable. You can also say if, just to be safe, if we have the completed event, then we are done here. Go away. All right. And then we need to do save data manager. One off. Oh, I thought I did this. Signal. Oh, I do. One off event added. On one off event added. We're going to check it. Check it. This does come with the ID. We don't necessarily care.
Why is there fancy pillows? They're just going on the sofa in the lab.
I don't know if you saw Steph. I don't remember when you joined in, but yeah, they're gonna go here. Cammy, I'm so sorry, but Twitch thinks you're doing links. I guess you're using dots, and it's totally messing up your
vibe,
your messages. We see a lot of asterisks. I'm so sorry. Office space is new. Yep. Yeah, Cammy, if you could do it without dots, or just do like space dot space. Although I'm pretty happy with that little piece of code. I'm not too worried about that level of performance.
Maybe
until I'm running that every frame, it's no problem. Okay, so on ready, instead of activate, we're gonna do interactable update. Okay, so that's step 1.
Oh, Hey, my cooks.
Uninteracted, we activate. We do this stuff. Fine. That's fine for now. Okay. So next, we have to make it so that this existing interactable, which is the one that needs the item, that needs to add a thingy. That needs to add a thingy. Which right now is plugged into that. I guess we would change that. So on interactable code, I could add an option to say complete one off event to add. Okay, and then on interacted, we can say if one off event add. I don't like doing it like that. I'm going to default it to none. And on interact, if it's different than none, we're going to do save data manager add. And this already checks, so it doesn't do duplicates ever. So return check array dot all array dot has. Ooh, okay, let me check that. So you're saying value all. So if all the callables return true, that goes true. Uh-huh. So you're saying run has on every value. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So values all array dot has. It's certainly more compact. I'm questioning if it's as readable, but probably. That's clean. I like that. Nice. Less understandable unless you're used to it. Yeah, yeah. No, but it's clean. I like it. I like it. Nice. Let's go with it. Okay, so I made it so that works now. So in here, I can now say add that on interaction. Okay. And now over here, we're going to say export var completed or required one-off event. True player.
How has it been 13 months? How is everyone?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the 13 months.
That is pretty insane. Thank you so much, True Player. Happy Saturday.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Over
Doing
a
good.
year. This is amazing. Good to have you.
I honestly don't know how it has been 13 months.
Time does fly sometimes, doesn't it? Times do be doing that.
There's a very strong internal conflict over here where we're very much looking forward to being done with this project so we can do something different for a change. But at the same time, we want the passage of time to stop because there is so much to do, right?
Yeah.
So we want it to be next year, but we also want next year to never come.
At the same time.
Been tired yesterday, so took a break, slept a lot. Now I've got more energy today. Nice.
Sometimes you just need a nap.
I'm the same with my game, to be honest. When will it end? Yeah. We have so many games. So many game ideas that we want to try out. So working on projects for, a single project for 2 years is like torture.
This is maximum effort.
Yeah.
Indeed, isn't it? Do you like my carpet? This is the carpet.
Nice.
You could stretch it to fit the size that you...
Yeah, should be good. I like it.
Give you a PNG.
Yeah, I can just slap the texture on there. I like it, Picasso.
I'll lay down on that. Listen, we're keeping it simple, okay? With the stuff. I found this. My God, Maka started meowing, and I got scared that I like ran her over with the chair. But I think she. Hey, Maka, you just.
She's going crazy.
Why are you crying? Look, you can see her little head. She does love to like sit, like lay down directly underneath the wheels of our chairs. Like she has so many places to lay down, but she's just like, I'm just gonna be right under the wheels of your chair. So yeah. Chair can't hurt me. Yeah, like I have to warn every time, like, don't move. She's got her paws under the wheel. just wishing. She meowed. He's like, do it. I dare you. But I think she then also does it and continues to do it because I then kind of tell her, Maka, no, don't do that. So then she's like, oh, this is forbidden. I'm going to do it more. So like, she doesn't understand it's for her own well-being.
She's just meowing. Like we haven't fed her in days. Or years. She doesn't look like she hasn't been fed, if you know what I'm saying. It's ended. You're good, you're good. Okay. I'm just gonna run the game. And it's gonna work first try. I've decided.
What?
I've decided my change is gonna work first time. First try.
Yeah. I believe that.
Why does that carpet remind me of a creepy haunted hotel? I mean,
Good.
kind of the vibes.
That
you
is
know?
the vibes, kind of, yeah.
Maybe we've not properly realized that quite yet. Maybe we need some cobwebs and stuff. But the idea is that the manor is now in disrepair after the zombie apocalypse. So, yeah, it needs some like, it needs to be boarded up. It needs some cobwebs and stuff. But that's kind of the vibes.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, so if I go to it, I need the crowbar. I can't do anything. Cool. So now I find the crowbar, which I do not have in my debug menu, so I have to literally find it. Never mind, I found it. So now I can interact with it. I go to interact with it. I go to interact with it. I go to interact with it. And nothing happens. Amazing.
Dang, crowbar always in video games. It's like the MVP of video games, isn't it? Yet, I've never seen a crowbar in real life. I've never really been around cars much. Or things like that. Me too. Are they real? They are a construct of people's imaginations. Imaginations?
Imagination.
Imaginations.
So uninteracted, emit, and then if one-off event to add is different than none, add it. Maybe I should print one-off event added. One-off event IDs, find key.
Bop, 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 bop.
Already has event. What am I doing wrong here? Oh my god. Okay, I need to update my debug because I need this stupid item. Oh, give it to me. Dang it. Please. Oh no.
I mean, the last place you look, you know this.
Ay, ay, ay. There it is. You have debug menus? I do. Already has event. Huh?
Huh? Have you added that sound yet?
Huh? Huh?
Why can I not see my save file?
Did you guys get paid me? Is that what I'm thinking of? Yeah. That's a good one.
The save file is not where it usually is.
Uh-oh. Is that concerning?
Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. Here we go. Save data. Keep unsaved changes. What? One-off events. 300. Okay, so it's in there already. Okay. Let's add some more options then. So here.
Wait, Maka. Patient.
Starts off disabled. We can say if this
Don't do it, Maka.
and
Cat's out on keyboard. Welcome on in. Thank you so much for that treat redeem. Maka is being a menace right now, but you know, why not reward that behavior with some treats?
enable.
One moment. Did I give you her last stick? Do you have it?
No, I can get it. Micah is definitely considering arson, 100%.
Maka, move your butt.
How do you spell aesthetic? It's crazy. Crazy word. Aesthetic. Pretty sure that's it.
Oh my god. Just bite on the side.
Nom, 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 nom.
Chew, chew, and swallow.
Aesthetic. Hey, I'm walking here.
Oh my god. It's gone, it's gone. You're still trying to eat it. You good, Maka? You're relaxed now that you ate a snack?
Thank you for the treats, cat.
Okay, on your way. Be on your way. Continue smelling it.
Yeah, she always eats it too fast. Relatable. Okay. Try this one more time. Totally gonna work this time. And this time is definitely the first time. First try.
Oh.
So, what is that? What is that? Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that activation worked. And then we're going to wait here. And then when this finishes, the safe zone should open. It did not. Did I forget to do it? Yes. Please hold. Please hold.
I need a button. When am I gonna have my own button?
I've told you can have it on your phone.
That's annoying.
What do you want from me?
Ba-da-ba-da-bop-bop. You okay?
I don't know.
Mm.
I'd prompt. Show prompt. I'd prompt. Not what I want to do. It's not what I want to do.
Diz, hello, welcome on in.
Hello, hello.
How have you been?
Just gonna do function has completed one off event. And we're gonna go if
It's been good. Nice to catch you again. Good to have you hanging out. Ooh, you've been trying to get your demo done. How's that going? You're in a good
Nice.
spot?
that is different than none, or if it equals none, return false. If it's different than none, return.
Not as far along as I'd like, but we still got some 8 weeks. I feel like... Isn't that everyone? You're never as far along as you'd like.
If has completed one off event.
True. Right, PAX Australia is in October. Yeah. I was just we were just talking about something like this the other day. Like, there was no way this game would have been done in time for October. No way.
Yeah. Not unless we suddenly started working on it every waking hour, free time.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to delete save. Start. Then takeaways. Oh, stupid item. God damn it. If I go here, I need the crowbar. Find the crowbar. That's not the crowbar. I don't want to add the debug. Adding the debug is going to take me like 5 minutes. I don't want to do that.
So you'd rather waste 20 looking for the thing every time?
Okay, we do that. It went away. We added safe zone shed 1. And now this is enabled. Which it wasn't before. Now we can interact with this. And we started the event. And then when this is done, the safe zone will be enabled. Debug, debug.
Right.
And boom. Nice. Okay. Progress. So one thing I can see is problematic is this area for this interactable needs to be customizable, which is immediately annoying. Is immediately annoying.
He's annoyed.
I am annoyed.
Annoyed.
I am annoyed.
Annoyed.
If I can make this external. Yes. Okay, before we do that, let's do the stupid debug.
Debug.
Okay, so we need an add item. Add item. Thingamajiggy.
Yeah. Stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Game's looking good, thank you.
Thank you so much, Diz. I've done this somewhere.
PAX
the
in
lab.
Europe. I feel like I never look for stuff like that.
What's that? PAX? Alright.
No, there's
We need a run items debug, essentially. I'm gonna duplicate this. Run items debug. Load. Okay. We do not want these buttons.
There is Gamescom. I think that's in Germany.
We do not want a default element. Goodbye. Set up items. Add item. Item loot name. What? Or item in items. Oh, right here. Items assign load resources. Yep. Yep. So let's find that. We want loot run items. Yep, that's it. Loot run items. Like that. And then this has loot name. Okay. Add loot name. What is this? Items add. It never gets called anywhere. Hello? What? Oh, this was for the buttons. This was for the buttons. Did I use the wrong thing then? Because really what I want is this one. Yeah, this is what I want. Damn it. Wrong thing. Ah! I want a menu button. Items. I want to change type to menu button, which says add run item. Why does it not have a background? Right. Sure. And I want this to be the scene route. Remove, add, load, boom, bam, delete. Then this is a menu button. Ah, what a mess. Okay. On ID pressed. Right, because it works off of an index. So we go items. This is the item, which is a run item. So then we do run manager, run item, add item. And we know that this is a run item. Oh boy. I don't need any of this. Goodbye. All right. This is wrong now. Dang it. We need to pop up add item zombie name. Pop up add item. Item loot name. Okay. And then on our debug manager, we're gonna go over here, sure. Add another separator and then run items debug. And let's see if that works. Sorry, I haven't looked at chat in a while. I know you have game.com, which is huge. Huh?
You were talking about game conventions.
Game what, sorry?
Game conventions.
Ah. Okay, debug, add run item, they show up, okay? And then I do crowbar, it gave me a crowbar. If I do it again, it gives me another one. Whatever, it's a debug panel, who cares? It didn't add the directional thingy. But that might be my fault. By breaking other things. Maybe that's what this is doing. Yeah, directional indicator component.
Gamescom is a huge convention, the whole world, actually. More people came to that thing that live in my whole city. Where is that hosted?
That's crazy. Gamescom,
is
that's Germany, right? Maybe it
Yes.
in more places.
Yes, that's
okay.
yes.
Yeah, never been myself.
Yeah, I just looked it up. you know, we should definitely try to apply for some stuff at some point. IGN do a awesome indies live stream showcase. But I think the game like need a playable version to apply to that.
Right. Okay, I did something here. One-off event check. Let's say if one-off event is none, enable. Okay. That should fix the manor being open by default. Have an error. Run items debug node not found. Yeah, don't need that anymore. Manor still broken. Why? Manor zone. Required one-off event, none. It's none, therefore... Oh. Okay, I fixed that. Go up here. Ah, right. This is open because it's now saved. It's not permanently open.
Don't do it, Mako.
So if I delete save, go back in. What? Ooh, that's weird. No zombies. Why are there 3 chests on the map? Huh? Oh, yes. Sure. Okay. So if I go up here, I need the crowbar. If I go down here, give myself the crowbar. I got the crowbar and it's pointing to it. Great. I go up to it. Do that. And now it's enabled. I do that. And now the event is enabled. And then once that's completed, the safe zone should open.
Boop, 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 boop.
Okay. Okay. Now I want to change this so that instead of using interactable like that, we use an export.
Celebrations 10 plays on itch with Russian dunk.
Nice.
I'm gonna give that a go later tonight, for sure. Take it for a little spinaroo.
I'm gonna delete this. Save. Go here.
And this is saying you did a web build of a 3D room. You can't actually do much in it, but it was more just to test how it would run in the browser. And how does it run? Did it pass your tests? Early feedback, it's not intuitive. Understandable.
I think that's very common. You need to get other people involved, or else you'll never see those things. Because obviously you know where everything is. Safe zone pet. So this now becomes the crowbar interactable. And now this one's an interactable. Yeah. So I'm going to instantiate an interactable here.
I think it runs pretty well, though I had to really cut the textures down. Yeah, I was kind of worried a little bit about our textures. I mean, I am a little worried about our textures, to be honest, because we have an atrocious amount of textures.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
All of our objects have a unique texture to them. Pretty much. Hand drawn. We have not really worried about it at all.
I mean, I have worried about it from the start.
Yeah, worried in the sense that we're making them as small as we can type of stuff. But we don't know if we just have way too many textures, and it's not going to be good. I can post a link to the test if anyone wants to give it a try. Yeah, we don't have links in Twitch here, but feel free to post it on our Discord on Share Your Projects, and we'll have a look. Even though main game project can be up to 1 gig, no individual file can be over 200 megabytes, and Godot packs all the data into one data file. Huh.
I think that's definitely going to be a problem then, if that's...
Well, we're not going to do web builds.
Right.
I assume that's a limitation of the web builds.
Yes, like we can't do a web build, it seems. It's pretty clear.
We're just not doing that. No way. Okay. Range interaction. No. All right. So let's test that again. We need to delete save. Game. Okay. No zombies. I can't interact with it. Needs the crowbar. Give myself the crowbar. Now I just need to stand next to it. Right. So I am within the interaction zone. I'm assuming that if I step out and then go back in... Okay. So because it's activating while I'm already in the area, it's not getting the body entered event. So I need to fix that. Then I can interact with it. And then it unlocks. Okay. Whew. Okay, we can change this to no longer say breach, because that's now a different action. We can just say, I don't know, add crowbar. Post it in Discord, nice. You'll need to enter the password to get access as it's unlisted. Yeah, and you added the password in there, nice. Oh. We'll definitely give it a go. It's been a while since I played it. Last time I played it, it was still in Unity, right? That was a long time ago. Okay, so to fix the issue of it not checking, it's basically not running this, because the body never enters. It's already within it, which means that when it is enabled... Interesting. I feel like it should trigger, because I'm turning monitoring on. I guess it doesn't matter. Damn. So how do I check if the player is within the area? I could go and also defer. No, that's a string name. It doesn't work like that. So we go player check. All deferred. Jesus, I can't type anymore. Player check does...
Wow, it's been 2 hours? Oh my god.
If... Oh, this is the area itself. Okay. As overlapping bodies... Body on body entered. Wait, I guess this is not. I need to do overlapping body equals get overlapping bodies. Overlapping bodies, which returns an array of node 3D.
Your 3D.
If overlapping bodies is not empty, we run it. Let's see if that helps. Ever been Unity? Last time would have been Click Team Fusion. Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Click Team Fusion. Okay. Give myself the crowbar. And if I stand here, nice. Cool. That did the trick. All right. All right. All right. The question, if no one on the team notices that a model is missing the AO texture, did it really need the AO texture in the first place? What's an AO texture? Ambient occlusion. I don't know. We never used one of them.
Yeah. I do not have experience with said textures.
That like makes it interact with lighting or something.
Steph, have a good walk. I hope it's nice out there.
Have a good one, Steph.
Oh my gosh, it's my arch nemesis.
How's it going, Tomatoes? Great seeing the game. It was great having you, Steph.
Get tomatoed.
I think you guys have AO baked into the artwork. Okay, interesting.
As in, like, I draw the lights and shadows.
You draw shadows, right?
Directly on there.
Right, right.
I shall get my revenge this week, I promise.
Thank you for the lurk, Steph.
Oh wait, I think we have one ambient occlusion thingy on that light panel.
That's an emission map.
Oh. Never mind then. Good weather, nice. Oh my gosh, we're at 2099 nerds.
That's pretty insane. If anyone watching hasn't followed, you could be the 2,100 follower. Just saying.
I told you I would have my
Just saying.
revenge. My day.
Ambient occlusion is the light shading around the edges of things. It gives things definition and makes them feel more real in general. Yeah, so you're asking, no one noticed that it didn't have that texture, or that the ambient occlusion texture. So does it need it? The tough question. You'll know. Can you live with it?
That is the ultimate question.
How to follow twice. Yeah, I don't think Twitch lets you. It's weird. It's very strange.
Follow twice.
Bezos and his weird rules. All right. Cool. Where do I go from here? One critical change to this system that we want to do is, in order to start the challenge, the second step, you need a specific special human to do so. Which means I need to add special nerds as requirements for interacting. The idea is you would go here, you have the crowbar, you add the crowbar to the boards here, but the doc is skinny, no muscle. He doesn't know how to use a crowbar. He never touched a crowbar in his life. Nope. So he can't use it. So you can't just interact here. This will be blocked. It will say it needs a muscle type person.
Needs a a strong, capable man.
Or woman.
Or woman.
So
Wait, Linguini is a strength type. Technically.
He is.
What are his noodle arms gonna do? He's just got more leverage. That's all.
Yeah. So before you can engage the challenge, you need to get a special nerd, bring them here. Now you can activate it. And then basically they are the ones that use the crowbar. And then this circle is like you have to stand here and defend them from incoming zombies while they are using the crowbar and opening the safe zone. Now we need to convey all that cleanly, effectively. I guess I'll make it work first, and then we'll think about how to communicate it. But yeah.
Oh.
There it is. Somehow. I don't see anyone following, but it worked.
Ghost follower?
Who followed?
Hello?
It doesn't tell us who did that.
Huh? Thank you, stranger.
Thank you. Maybe it's an option to not announce your follow.
I wonder.
Maybe that's the thing.
Maybe.
Well, anyways, Anonymous, thank you so much for the follow. Appreciate it.
Anonymous. We have made it.
You win our appreciation. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Strength is different from bulk. Ask the flexi guy on YouTube. True. You spent a good few hours trying to track down the asset pack just to make sure I hadn't forgotten the AO texture when I converted it over to Godot. When I hadn't, it never had one.
There you go.
And you know, this 3D business, man.
Why do we do this to ourselves? Why 3D when 2D good?
Right.
Work good.
Why complicate life with... What's that ticking sound?
Ticking sound.
There was just that tick, tick, tick. What is that for? What is that? Why does that happen?
Tick, tick, tick.
You didn't hear it?
Wait, listen. No. Tick, tick. What? Was it this? I don't know. My brain filtered it out.
I hear it every now and then, just a constant ticking. I don't know where you have it.
Constant ticking. No? Keep an ear out, let me know.
Yeah.
I've heard this so many times, I don't know what sounds are playing.
I'm having 3D wrapper for 2D game, just so people can have the experience of playing with a box.
Yeah, I think that's a really good idea.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Can't hear it ticking. Hear a bit of a drip. There was just a moment that it was just ticking like a lot.
I don't know. I don't doubt you. I'm just so used to it that I don't know. It's not this. Me firing darts? No.
No, it's like you had a timer on something.
At a timer.
Sounded like a timer about to run out. Like tick, 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 tick.
I know.
Do you have a timer on anything?
I don't think so. All right. So
Go back into VOD? Nah.
no, but that's a good shout. If you hear it again, hit that clip button and we can have a look. Okay, so we need a required special nerd option for interactables. That is crazy.
I'm going to feed the makuks.
Okay.
This 520.
What are we doing? How are we feeling?
What do you mean?
Oh,
Okay, don't show your butt to
my
everyone.
mouse sticker came off. Do we want to keep going? Do we want to pause?
You got hatted.
Oh, which hat would you like to don upon my head? Tomatoes. Help. Put it back. I'll give it a test. You have been catted. Okay. I need to sneeze. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Nuke incoming. Thank you. Valji, how's it going? Oh. Opa. Maybe we can go for another like 15 minutes or something. See if I can finish this bit. Hello.
Welcome. I have a little.
What is happening right now? Hello? Oh, I'm typing it, you dingus. I'm not defining it. My God.
Oh, I've been catted.
Jones, hello. I see your test. I hear and see you. Sorry, my brain was lagging trying to get this to work, but I was just typing invalid GD script. So, fun. I see you. You are not shadow banned.
It's not.
What'd you have? A cloud? Yeah, those are nice. Nah. I don't think I have the brain power to implement this right now. This is gonna be... I'll need to listen for humans being added to the pool and then checking their types. No.
Check it. Jones was asking if you fixed the no loading of the lab.
Not yet, but was able to find what was causing it. It's pretty strange, and it's looking like it's a bug with Godot. I was able to trace it from the errors you were getting in the terminal. I traced it back to this. Not only these lines, but these were included. Essentially, certain resources that I'm preloading by UID are failing to load. And it crashes the game. So I need to either change this to a path or make it an export variable. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to fix it. But apparently, this can't be trusted. Unless I broke something. I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. It's pretty weird.
Destroying it.
At least you've made headway on the issue. Yeah, I know what's causing it. And if I wanted to fix it, you know, if I wanted someone to play this build tomorrow, I could just spend 30 minutes fixing it. I'm just kind of waiting to decide what I want to do with it. What's the file type? Maybe it's a missing codec in Linux. No, I tried it myself on my Windows machine, and it also had the same error. Apparently, the exported build, if I just play the game here, it works fine. But if I export the game and try and play it, it errors. Technically, I could go to Gamescom Dev, then I'd be broke and cut out a ton of dev time. Also, I can't imagine how Killer Flight Syrup would be right now. Yeah, it's a long flight as well for you, right? It's quite the investment. Yeah, it's really weird. It's really weird. I'm still waiting to see if I find people talking about this specific issue. I have found some GitHub issues, some Reddit posts that kind of are in this realm, but nothing like super specific. I did make a Reddit post myself, and essentially there was 2 people that commented on it just saying, don't preload UIDs, which is like, okay, fair. Clearly, something is weird with it, but Godot wants you to do it like this, so why is it broken? Did I do something wrong? I don't know.
Just want to say hello there, Yokart. Love the headgear.
Thank you.
We have been hatted for the next 7 minutes.
Classic Reddit comment. No, they were nice. They provided some articles and stuff talking about it. They were nice. They were nice about it.
They were nice.
Just saying that they don't trust UIDs. So you shouldn't rely on it necessarily. With that said, this code has been here for a very long time, and there have been at least 2 playtests with this code working fine, and now it just decided to break, which again makes me think either I broke something or when I updated to 4.7 it broke it. I don't know. I just know that it is broken. I have all my data in UIDs. Yeah, same. Have been for a long time. Never has been a problem. And now it's breaking. Really annoying.
People were wondering what the timer was for. Yes, the timer for everyone in YouTube over there. The timer that you see is one of our Twitch redeems, you can redeem a hat for us for 15 minutes. We have many hats. I also have this pizza hat.
Many hats.
And
Oh no.
if you're a long time watcher with many points, you can also redeem banana hat. Banana time.
That's the premium one.
But you gotta have like bank. You gotta have a lot of points.
Don't say that. Stop saying that. Someone's gonna redeem it. Stop. Don't redeem it because we're stopping. We're ending the stream soon.
No, I was gonna say, do you wanna put the pillow and stuff? I'll save those out.
Yeah, I can do that. I need to gather up my brain on how to tackle the next one. So shouldn't have told me. No, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. We're gonna end the stream in like 10 minutes. You're just gonna waste all your points. No need.
Thank you for that part, Falji.
Thank you for the follow. Hayake-chan here over on Twitch. Appreciate it. Yeah, we'll add those assets and then I'll probably call it for today. I need to do some thinking. What is I like big? I guess you have to redeem it to find out. You should just do it.
Don't do it.
For sure.
It's not worth it.
You should definitely click it.
It's not even worth it. Big farts and I can't help it. Oh my God. Sorry. See how it wasn't worth it?
Thank you, Palg, for the illustration. Falgi said, I used too many points to redeem the banana. Yeah, I think we did okay with our inflation. our point inflation seems to, for the most part, be keeping up.
You mean your point inflation? I have no say in this matter.
Inflation is just a facet of life. Don't blame me. It happens.
All I'm saying is that I have nothing to do with that. How much the redeems cost. That is not my.
Me neither. It's just the economy. Oh my God.
Good.
I have 300k points.
Good with the banana time.
Not like this.
With the others as well. I don't know if that's possible.
I don't think that works. Even.
I can try. Mine might work.
God dang it.
It's banana time.
The goob is immune to inflation. Imagine that. Imagine that.
Congratulations.
I'm loving the 50% game dev, 50% hats content. Yep. That's the Two Nerdy Nerds experience. You got those assets for me?
The pillow.
They're coming.
Is there, and I'm about to just write this.
Game assets, environment, lab, office. Yep. Is your preload a const? It is.
We need new hats. Listen, I can get us some new hats
I think.
for the new year. Yeah.
Yeah. New hats would be good.
For
Preferably not full head
I have some options.
masks.
I have some. You're not gonna like them. Some options.
Oh no.
Like a bald cap. Like we need to have a we need a bald cap, right?
Oh my god. What do you mean? Moon masks?
That would be 100K for the bald hat.
Horrific asteroid ones. What is that? I don't think I'm familiar with those.
I've seen one that it's like a shark eating your head. Thought that was pretty funny. There's a traffic cone hat. There's a poop emoji hat, you know. That one's on brand.
We have pillows.
Tomatoes.
Am I doing this with the pillows?
Yeah, you do.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Nice.
There is a tomato hat. Oh my god, imagine I get us some tomato hats. Tomatoes is going to hate us so much.
Back in the 70s, Atari had some cursed Halloween costumes. One of them was for asteroids. It was the asteroid, and it was crazy looking. I'm not familiar with these.
We could get like a chef hat for when you're cooking. You're in the zone.
I'm not being able to Google it either. Maybe you could find it for us.
Many food related hats.
Pillows, and did you have the carpet as well?
It's in there, yeah.
Cool.
It's just a JPEG.
Yeah.
Atari Halloween. Oh my gosh, that is like a horror. That belongs in a horror movie.
Halloween.
What the heck?
Asteroids.
What is that mask?
What the heck?
Who signed that off and was like,
Huh?
yeah? I mean, to be honest, actually, it is a Halloween costume, so
That's
it is
true. That's true.
It is appropriate. That is absolutely terrifying.
That is crazy. Honestly, it's just like back when Atari was cool, you
The
know.
Pac-Man is. Why does it have red eyes? It looks like a cereal
It
killer,
does.
like actually. Waka waka waka. what do we think?
I like. That's looking very nice.
Yeah. I could always change the color of the cushions to be more like the rug, but I don't know.
Change the... no, I think it's okay.
Thought, you know, it should be a little mismatched, right? Like it's...
Yeah.
It's too matchy-matchy. Oh!
I have a maca.
Maka has decided you're done.
I like it.
You take a photo. I will be sharing this photo on stream chat.
Oh, damn. I didn't commit my other things. It's fine. Added pillows and rug to office. That's the real change. And then comma reworked safe zones. That's just a side note.
There, you may observe.
Oh my god, Palsy. Come on. Not like this.
Don't forget your mask.
The dock is cozy but not matchy.
Did you see the photo?
He's gone now, but for anyone that's not in Discord, Maka decided that that was the best place for her to sit.
I like the Godot staring into my soul.
All right. Boom. We did things.
We did.
We have bananas.
We do.
On her face.
We have an office. The dog has an office now.
Yep.
He just needs an office chair.
Yup. And yeah, imagine we don't have it yet, but the idea is for these shelves, probably going to have some books and some random things, but the idea is that over time, as you are completing achievements, you'll get items in the shelves for certain achievements.
Yeah.
Little trophies and things like that.
I feel like I'll probably do a small variety of trophies and like plaques. But like they will look, you know, like generics. Like I'll just look.
Yeah, there's two ways we could go about it. We could just have generic ones and then it just like fills over time.
Yeah.
Or we just pinpoint some special achievements that we would like to make an item for. And we could make them slightly more themed to it. Maybe we start with the generic ones, and then if we want, we could add unique ones.
Yeah.
Or we do like a special one for the final achievement or something like that.
Sure.
All right.
Making 3D assets? Yes. So I made the assets
many
in
of
this
them.
room this week, and then yesterday I was texturing them, so today we're able to put them in the game.
Can give you a quick tour of some of them. This is the ones
These
Selene
were-
did recently.
Yeah.
These are also pretty recent as well. These ones.
Themed ones as a polish pass. Yeah, I might make like one or two. Like I might make a trophy and a plaque, and then that could be placeholder for them and for when we want to do more variety. Looks so polished. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.
I love this little
you,
corner
guys.
here.
It's a long process. I have many more to do.
Hidden goop.
Goop goop. Scotch egg. Wait, what? I don't remember that. What was that conversation? Oh, because it looks like a Scotch egg.
And honestly, we don't get to show this very often because we're not working on it actively, but there's like a whole like town scene.
That's true.
Look at this. There's a whole van.
I did make a whole van.
There's
that was crazy.
Fire trucks and ambulances.
That was actually crazy. I did those.
And cars and buildings. Pretty insane.
Pretty insane. Oh my god. Which technology are you using? So, yeah. All the models are made in Blender. And then I make very shoddy UV maps for them, and then I bring the OBJ files into Procreate where I texture them. I hand texture every 3D object, unfortunately for me. I decided to do that. That is why they all look so unique, because they are. Because I spend like hours on one object.
What the heck?
Cheers, thank you for the follow. Town assets look nice, thanks. Yeah, so obviously now we are working towards a demo, so we're not really looking at the city map as that's not part of the demo. City map stuff will probably be worked on at the end of the year, December, January. Probably November, to be honest, because February is the next fest, so we want to have it ready. But yeah. Does Procreate let you paint right onto the object? Yes, it does. Although I don't love painting on the 3D model itself. I typically will do a layer where I kind of sketch where the panels are and where I want things to be, and then I can switch to the 2D view, and then I will draw on the 2D view. And I'll just kind of flick back and forth between the 2D and the 3D and see how it's going. Commitment to the craft is a worthy goal. Yeah. I mean, when I started, I didn't fully grasp what the commitment was. Maybe if I had known, I would have chosen a different texturing method. It's too late now. Too late.
It is in GD scripts. Gatti. How is the city broken? What?
It's broken.
He's broken. I wanted to show off the intro animation we made, but
We could show it as part of the trailer.
that's true.
I've been doing 3D since 2001, and unwrapping is still a complete pain in the butt. Yeah, look. I mean, don't look. No one look at my UV maps, because I will confess I do just use Blender's smart unwrap, which is probably not smart, but that's what I use. I just click smart UV project and I call it a day. I do apologize to all professional 3D artists out there.
There we go. There's the animation.
But you know, you have to be bad at something to then be kind of okay at something, to then be okay at something, to then one day be good at something. You have to start at the bottom.
Yeah. Celine, you mentioned it, so why don't we do it for anyone that hasn't seen our game before?
Oh my gosh.
Check this out. This is Reclaim the Living.
Brother. Hooray.
There it is. There it is. Looks delightful. Love the music. Thank you, Dis. Yeah, our composer absolutely nailed the vibes.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
For any new lurkers out there, we do have a Steam page. Consider giving that a wish list if you enjoyed, if you're interested, or if you just want to support us, you know, super helpful. It looks like we're going to the mailroom.
We are. Let's go say hi to Jotson. They're working on the mailroom, which is this like spooky job simulator. Let's call it.
Love it.
And it's coming out pretty soon in October. So
again, aesthetics, like 10 out of 10.
It's so good.
I am so impressed. Crazy good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Check
it out, guys.
Let's go say hi.
We'll be back on Tuesday with some more game dev, more assets, more math. Probably more math.
Probably there will be math.
We will not be bananas anymore. If you were here for the bananas,
Well,
you will need to accumulate a lot of channel points.
if Goob is around, we may be bananas. We shall find out. All right, we are good to go. Again, thank you so much, nerds, for hanging out. You guys are the best. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend.
Bye bye.
Apartment by itself is okay. Then I have to change all the the translations. Annoying. Fall is coming.